Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about OPPO Reno 8. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. OPPO Reno 8, a Snapdragon Chipset Phone Smart Tech. OPPO is unveiling Reno 8 soon in OPPO Reno 8, a Snapdragon Chipset Phone Smart Tech. OPPO is unveiling Reno 8 soon in the market. Last year in December, smartphone company OPPO launched Reno 7 series in the Chinese market. Now the company is working on a new series to unveil. The coming smartphone of the series will be in the mid-range segment and will be called an OPPO Reno 8. The smartphone got a chipset of Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this handset has an octa-core processor inside the OPPO's Reno 8 to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Adreno 660 under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.4 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The new OPPO Reno 8 has an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. Also, there is glass protection of Corning Gorilla Glass in this device. The handset of the company called Reno 8 by OPPO will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 8GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the OPPO 8 is 128GB, that is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the back of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the OPPO Reno 8 will be 64 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels. The selfie shooter of the phone is 32 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The smartphone has got an under-display, optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the handset and only allows the authorized person. The OPPO Reno 8 will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming Reno 8s will release. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.